So we are finally adding someone to this enclosure. I have been waiting a while. And I finally have another wolf spider. And I have been waiting, but now I just feel like it's time to go ahead and, you know, get one. When I say get one, I live in Florida. I just go outside and get one. So, I mean, I'm not like really too hard to get one, but yeah. Sorry if I'm trying to catch this cricket. I don't know things. Whether she eats or not, I don't know. She might, because like she's obviously out hunting. So maybe we'll get lucky and my cricket will be dumb and go hang out with her. Sorry for all the moving. I think I gave the cricket, yeah, too many places to hide. Oh yay, she did. She just already got in. That was super fast. Like, I obviously knew she was hungry because she was out and about, but I did not think she was going to get that fast. Because the cricket's actually a little bit bigger than her. I kind of wanted to show you her face more. Okay, well, can you turn a little bit more towards me? You know? Nope, the opposite. Nope, she gave me what she was going to get me, I guess. Look at her butt compared to the cricket. It's just laughable, but also impressive. So we're going to go ahead and add this back over here. So she wants to zoom out. She wants to go to another hide. This will be the wet side, and there's her water. But yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video because, like, obviously this is a whole lot more admiration than anything else because, well, she's beautiful. And I'm so happy to have her. I've missed having one. Probably should have turned the light on sooner, huh? Oh, well, yep. That is our little wolfie.